With our scanner, you can see it is very easy to scale with it, and this is very many AI functions inside it. So just one arch, you can easily finish it with 1 minute, and as you can see, it's even 30 seconds. If you are very familiar, you can even finish one full arch in most 30 seconds. This is what we're doing. And all features of this intra scanner, I think is the best center-level scanner. Because if you check what's the center-level scanner is, simple to use, simple workflow, intelligent functions, and very fast scanning and good accuracy or superior accuracy. And also, like we have a touch screen, you see? We have a touch screen also. For this model, it's just a similar price to you buy a computer and a card, but you get a complete model with touch screen, and it's very easy for you to do the patient communication. This is completely different with the feeling with a mouse, and you need to click a mouse to rotate with a finger. It's a completely different experience. You can see 34 seconds finish 1 hour. Yeah. And this is completely different. And what we are trying to do is, what you scan on the model is similar experience to your in-mouse scanner. Some dentists even say we are much better in mouse scan than model scan. It's because we have much more tolerance for the salivation. So other scanners, they are very sensitive to salivation. For us, not problem. So you see. This is the data quality. And here also you can see
smart scan.
Yes. Yes. And this is yeah. Then you go to the post processing, because this is the data without post processing. So after post processing, you will see we have two layers of post-processing. One is the real-time post-processing, and another is the after you click the edit mode, you will get a complete STL file. The first layer of post-processing just to make sure you have a real-time data quality judgment with what you are scanning. As long as there's no overlap with all intra scanner data, you get a very good accuracy data. The quality is guaranteed. Unlike other scanners, you have to check fit rate, and finally you know the data quality is good or not. But with our scanner, you just there's no overlap, then the data quality is guaranteed. Yeah. So this is quite easier. We can say is intelligent real-time diagnosis of scan quality, scan data quality. And you can see this is the data after post-processing, you see? You see?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the actual model?
Yes,
scan.
This is the actual model, yes.
This is also our test model. Thank you very much for a very nice presentation.
One last thing is about computer configuration. You can see this computer is maybe it's a game laptop 2 years ago. I would like to say it's about 2 years ago. You can see it's a property is
which graphic card is it?
This is CPU
i7, okay.
10th generation. And if you check the GPU, I will show you the GPU. The GPU.
I can run it if you want.
Yes, I will show you how. You can see the device manager from the GPU. Where's display adapter? I think even GTX 1660 of TI works very well with our intra scanner. But
really,
if you work with other scanners, maybe they will ask you always upgrade your PC. Upgrade if you want to use some new functions or we have a better performance.
Yes, true.
With the software update. But for us, because we have a very good optimization of algorithm, 3D image algorithm, so are among the lowest requirement for the computer. This is a computer maybe 3 years or 2 years ago, but it works very well, very fast, and we don't require you to upgrade your computer.
That's very good.
Yes,
That's very
yes, no need. In our opinion, no need. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's it.
Thank you very much for presentation.
Yeah.
We were in Launca stand in IDS 2021, IDS Cologne.